Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's find the backup and reset option. Let's tap here, and as you can see on the 4th position we've got network settings reset, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you what it will reset, so it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, click on reset settings and tap on reset settings again. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.